मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Namaste. Happy Independence Day for all Gurukulam family. As we all know that the importance of this great day, every year on August 15th, all Indians are really proud of this day. Since this day remarks the importance that how India attained freedom. So we take this day to honor those great leaders who fought for the country and the martyrs who shed their life for this noble cause. Because this day reminiscence the importance of freedom and how we could conquer the colonialism which made us slaves to Britishers, and the great leaders as well as the each and every individual of this country, they struggled a lot for attaining this freedom. We remember great leaders like Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many leaders who actually stood for this noble cause. And today when we celebrate this 74th Independence Day, without this pomp and show, the scales of celebration has reduced because of the shadow which has been fallen or which has been made by this pandemic COVID-19. Actually, Independence Day is celebrated in such a way that all the students will be with full of enthusiasm and vigor. They come to school and they celebrate this day in such a way that we all are one. We, the Indians, are really proud because of the diversity which we experience here, and still we stand unitedly. The world look at us and they wonder how it is possible. This is possible only because of the culture and the heritage which we ourselves practice. We have a broad culture for the world where we Indians think the well-being of the entire universe. We practice a great culture where we feel all human beings are one, and all human beings and all the living creatures in this earth must enjoy the well-being. So today, in this situation, when the coronavirus has put us into a trouble, and still this has given a lesson for bringing out the humane qualities among all of us. On the eve of Independence Day, our President Sri Ramnath Kovind and our Prime Minister, both of them are having a great leadership to uplift the country to its next level. As we all know that our Prime Minister, he often emphasizes Atmanirbhar to make self-reliance and self-reliant citizens of our country. He gives much importance for developing India for the world. Make for world is the aim of our nation. So we have to go back to our cultural heritage. We have to go back to our culture which our ancestors have followed. The father of the nation, Mahatma Ji, Gandhian philosophy is so relevant in this occasion. He states like that, education is an all-round development of the child, body, mind and spirit. So he emphasizes, he gives much importance for the all-round development of the child. And now the Prime Minister of the country says, he requires the all-round development of the country to face the world. And this is possible only through children. So children in the classroom must provide all such opportunities to develop naturally. As Indians, we have to practice the Gandhian philosophy. It has to be taught in all schools. Since his weapon was ahimsa and his principles were very vivid and which is even today so relevant. He has rightly said that there are 7 social sins in our society. So these are so relevant, and what he has said has given a great thought for all of us. Even today it is so relevant because the 7 social sins, the politics without principles, knowledge without character, wealth without work, science without humanity, commerce without morality, and worship without sacrifice. See, these are the words much enough for a person to understand what should be taught in the schools. Children of today must get the idea how to live in the society. Most importantly, the teachers have great role for molding a society, and of course parents are also responsible for this. We require great leaders who are altruist, unselfish and philanthropists. That can be made in the classroom by responsible and committed teachers. Teachers can make the society or break the society. Everything is in the hands of teachers, because as Mahatma Ji said, the politics without principles. Politicians of the country must have great principles. They are the powerful leaders to take the country to its development. When we stand as a developing country for the last many years, as our Abdul Kalam Ji, he was asked once, how do you measure the country's political standard or the leader's mindset? When it rates with 10 points, he said he will give 5 points. It's a pass mark. So that is not enough for the country. As a teacher, I strongly believe and understand teachers can make this society. Children who are in front of them has to be given real values and cultures. According to me, the greatest catastrophe of this era is, 1, teachers must understand the value of their profession, and second one, society must understand the value of teachers. So teachers have great role. As Abdul Kalam ji said, 2020 his dream was that India will become a developed country. And now in this juncture we are striving, we have to move furthermore to attain this great aim. So in this Independence Day, I would like to say to all my students, you have to be the powerful leaders of tomorrow. You have the responsibility to bring this country to this level. Because when you become leader, you have that principles. As Mahatma Ji's 7 sins you have to understand. Because when a human being understands somebody's, or when he understands the fellow being's mind, definitely he become the philanthropist or he become the real human. So the real education is to become a real human being. So in Gurukulam, we the teachers always focus to the bringing out the innate talents as well as the real human quality of a person. Let us practice that to give or to provide opportunities for students to bring out their real human qualities. Let all teachers of the country, if they shoulder the responsibility of the country, then the things will be in the right track. So being a teacher, I am so proud to say that we are the responsible people for tomorrow's India and the world. Because the country aims for not only its growth, it aims for the entire universe growth. So that is the broadness of our country, and let us all respect each and everyone in all sense. That must be the inner core of every individual. Especially the students must practice that. When we imbibe this knowledge in our childhood, throughout our life we can practice and we will become a good human being. We forget about all such barriers, all such so-called discriminations, and we will stand together for protecting the flora and fauna of this Mother Earth. Once again, with great happiness, let us salute in this occasion those medical professionals as well as those who are fighting against this pandemic, this COVID-19, the virus, invisible enemy, which is very powerful, which we have to emerge with a lot of resilience, and we will destroy this virus and we will all come to a normal life. So during this pandemic, all over India, during the Independence Day celebration, children are not there, teachers are not there, and even parents are also not in the campus. Still, I am so happy to see that children at home, they have taken a lot of effort to prove themselves they are real patriotic. So they have sent many videos from right from LKG to 12th standard. All the students have put lot of effort to show their patriotism as a honor or an homage to all the martyrs and the soldiers who fought for the country and still who are fighting in the borders to protect all the rest of the people in the country. And also, we are especially happy to receive message from Colonel Padmanabhan sir and a great soldier, Yogendra Singh, who has sent a message. He is the first youngest man who attained the Paramveer Chakra in the age of 19. He has given a beautiful message for the Gurukulam family, and I am really thankful to those great people and all the students who have taken, even students and parents who took effort for bringing out such a beautiful messages to all of us. So once again, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.